I want you all to meet my friends Sam and Aditi. Sam is a freelancer and he has his individual projects to run. Whereas my friend Aditi has her 9 to 5 job, but along with that, there are certain passion projects that she is working on. Now, the one thing that is common in both of these cases is that both Sam and Aditi should stay organized. They should have a good productivity system so that they can handle their projects and work in an efficient manner. They explored certain tools, but instead of being efficient, they ended up feeling overwhelmed. Maybe it was that the tools has overwhelmed them, or else they had complicated their systems and processes. Cut to today, they decided to upgrade their system. They decided to simplify their processes and system as much as possible and make use of some simple apps which are easily available and also free of cost. Due to simplifying their systems and processes, they now have the perfect productivity system for them. Something which would help them to stay organized and keep a track of all their work, tasks, and notes. In today's video, I am going to share the exact productivity system with you all as well. And in case you all are new here, then hello everyone, I'm Pavni and welcome to my channel. In case you find this content to be helpful, then do not forget to hit on that like button, share the video with your friends and also subscribe to the channel. Now without further ado, let's get started. So in today's video, I'm going to share a productivity system with you all, which makes use of the applications within the Google ecosystem. In order to stay productive, we need not make use of fancy planners or applications. Even simple apps, if used in the right way, works wonders. In today's video, we are going to look at the different applications like Google Calendar, Google Keep, Google Docs, as well as Sheets, and let's see that how we can make effective use of them. We all know the basics of these applications, as in how to use Google Sheets, how to use Google Calendars, so on and so forth. So I'm not going to go into those details, but instead I will show you on how to use these applications in an effective manner. For this video, I'm going to take a very simple example. Let us say that I need to work on a project. Then how is it that I'm going to make use of these applications? I will take that as a simple use case and explain it throughout this video. For example, my use case is this, that I need to work on a project wherein I need to do certain analysis. So my first starting point would be to make use of Google Sheets. I will be using a template, something like this, so that I can keep a track on what is the project, what is the task that is involved, what is the status, the start date, end date, so on and so forth. And on this sheet, first of all, I will be listing out all of the tasks that is involved in this particular project. I will add the tentative start date and end date as per the timelines that I have decided for myself. I will make use of the status column so that I can understand that what is the status of this particular task. And by making use of conditional formatting, I will also add certain colors so that when I have a glance at this particular sheet, I can understand that which tasks are completed, which are in progress, and which is yet to be done. If you're someone who likes charts, then go ahead and add a chart in there as well. Now, once I have listed out all of my tasks, it is important that I actually work on those tasks and not just forget them, right? And the best way to do it, go ahead and add these tasks onto your Google Calendar. Add them as schedule so that you get reminded on when you need to work on a task. Adding your tasks to your Google Calendar will help you to stay on track and actually work on those tasks and not forget them. Now, one thing that I do additionally is when I'm scheduling a task on the calendar, then I also insert a link to a Google Doc. Using Google Docs, I can keep a tab on all of the notes or any pointers that I want to make a note of. Now, one tip over here is that Keep all of your notes organized in your Google Drive by creating folders. Say you want to work on your YouTube scripts, then keep a separate folder for it. Say you have to work on some project analysis, then keep a separate folder for it, so on and so forth. Create separate folders for different topics. The folders which are very important to you or the ones which you access quite regularly, you can star those folders so that you can easily find them. And once you are into the folder and once you open your Google Doc, in Google Doc, it is a good practice to have a table, a content table. Having content table will really help you in navigating easily to the required topic. As and when your notes keeps increasing, you can make use of Notebook LM as well so that you can get a quick summary of all your notes. And in case you would like to have a video on that, or in case you want to know more details about note keeping or else Notebook LM, then do let me know in the comment section below and I shall create a video on that. So far we have seen that how can we get started on a project? How can we divide? How can we list down the different tasks that is involved in a project? How can we keep a track on the status of the different tasks, and how can we actually work on those tasks by scheduling them on Google Calendar, how we can effectively create notes. So now, say that in between you are away from your system and in between there are certain pointers that you have remembered and you want to quickly add them. Well, the easiest way to do that is by using Google Keep. Just open Google Keep on your mobile phone, add the pictures or notes, whatever data you want onto the application, and then save it. And if you want to review your Google Keep the next day or on a weekly basis, then just add a reminder on that particular Google Keep so that you can come back and do the review. Now, the one thing which is very important over here is to do weekly reviews. To do weekly reviews and see that on how you're staying on track, what are the status of your different tasks, is there anything that needs a cleanup, so on and so forth. So these weekly reviews and cleanups truly helps. Now, if you want to get started with this, then start with just one simple application. Maybe start with this noting down the different tasks of your project onto a Google Sheet, or else start off by organizing your notes in the form of folders or Google Docs onto your Google Drive. Or start off by actually keeping all your tasks on your Google Calendar. So start with just one application and then keep on adding more applications to this so that you don't get overwhelmed. Now, I'm not saying that this is a foolproof system or this is one system that will work for all, because that is never the case. I'm just saying that in case you want a very simple system which uses applications which you're already comfortable with, which you already have, then maybe you can try out this system. Because many times not everyone is comfortable enough to use a Notion or some other app. It might seem overwhelming for them. So in case some of you are looking for some simple systems like this, then you can take this video as a starting point and keep adding more to this. Also, if you have more points or if you have more further suggestions that you want to share with everyone, then do leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for staying till the very end. I hope that you found this video to be helpful, and if you want more such videos in future, then do let me know in the comment section below and share this video with your friends as well. Stay connected by subscribing to the channel, and I will see you all soon.